Connecting the community with its food, Food Chain is the only demonstration facility in the state showing sustainable indoor farming and providing educational programming.
Food Chain is 3 years old. We're a young nonprofit that is trying to connect the people in our community with their food. We do that with education and demonstration to try to show them that there is new ways that they can get involved with food production, food preparation, all with the mind of sustainability. Right now, our focus is mostly on growing food, and we're the first demonstrational farm doing aquaponics indoors in the state of Kentucky. So hopefully we can capture their imagination with a pretty innovative technique of how food can be grown in a sustainable way. Our model is about education. We are trying to develop best practices here in our operations from a demonstration standpoint and then pass those on to people.
I like it.
Yeah.
My name is Tay Benton. I'm 16 years old. I go to STEAM Academy. The students at STEAM Academy are really excited for the aquaponics farm because it's something new. They'll actually get to interact with it. We're going to be able to see our work and be proud of what we did and be able to say we're eating what we grew. It's an honor to know that I was a part of that pioneering group to get aquaponics in the STEAM Academy.
A lot of people have never heard of aquaponics in their life, and so that's the first question is, what are you talking about? Fish, plants? And so then it's just explaining how that system works and why it's beneficial. Aquaponics is very scalable. It can be huge or very, very small. But this system is actually one that I'm implementing into those schools. I feel like there's starting to become a real disconnect with kids and where their food's coming from. More impoverished communities, they call them food deserts. They have to travel over a mile for fresh produce. That's usually where we're seeing that sort of disconnect.
Hi, I'm Leandra Foreman. I'm the farm manager here at Food Chain. My job is to maintain the plants and the fish and the whole system. So some people that come in here are producers who are interested in doing aquaponics here in Kentucky. And so I get to talk to them about the commercial side of growing. And then some people that come in here are more school groups. And then I also work with a lot of interns from colleges. So, ooh, that blue guy right there. Here at Food Chain, we breed our own tilapia, and tilapia are interesting fish because they're actually mouth brooders, which means they hold the fertilized eggs inside their mouths until they're tiny little swimming fry. I pick her up out of the water and I dunk her in the tank and make her spit all those fish out. And we stock them in here for about 3 months until they're 3 to 4 inches long, and then we're able to move them from here into the large tanks. This is the heart of Food Chain's production. This is where the mature fish come and we grow them out for 6 months, and we grow them out until they get to be around 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds, and then they're harvested to be served to customers at Smithtown Seafood. But the main thing that we like about the fish in here is that they are the producers of all of the nitrogen that feeds the plants.
It's actually really exciting because we are just now launching our capital campaign to expand into food production and food distribution. For us, that means actually building on site a demonstration and educational kitchen. Learning knife skills, learning meal planning, learning meal preparation, all can be done in that educational kitchen, and the back half of that kitchen will allow us to actually process some of the food that's grown in our rural communities, and so it's more accessible to the community that we reside in here.
Congratulations to Food Chain, winner of the Kentucky Nonprofit Network 2015 Innovative Nonprofit Award.